What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
This is a little cute kit that I do have in our Etsy shop right now. It is a 14-inch grapevine, and I'm calling it the Elf Workshop Wreath. So y'all, let's prepare our sign first. Y'all, for our sign, I'm going to add a little bit of rapid fuse glue to our corners. Then I'm going to take our mounting squares. Let's get our pipe cleaners on here. Y'all, this is a quick, cute, little simple grapevine wreath. Y'all, we already sold out of the flower kits, so I added 50 more to the Etsy store. You guys were all over those flowers. I'm going to let this dry while we build our bow. So I'm going to start with the 2.5 inch. Does it look familiar? We just played with it for a long time. Y'all, we're going to start with about a 12-inch tail. We do have the mounting squares on DecoExchange. Yep. All right. Let's get ourselves about a 7-inch loop. How many rolls come with that kit tonight? You're going to get 3 rolls in the flower kit because it took 3 rolls for us to make the flower. This side, we're going to trim this up a little bit. Y'all, this loop's going to be about 6.5-ish. All right, now I'm going to add the red. Y'all, let's now throw in just the single loop. It's different. We haven't tried that before. Y'all, I promise, as soon as the bolt cutters get here, you'll be the first to know. Well, second to know. I'll know, then you'll know. All right, single loop over here. And then one more single loop on this side. Why not try something different, y'all? So we had 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops, and then we did 1 loop on each side just to see what it looks like. All right, we're going to take our pipe cleaner, fold it. It was an awesome flower. Listen, I was surprised at how the flower turned out, if I'm being honest. There's one ribbon on it that's a little janky. Pull it as tight as we can and give it a good twist. All right, let's get our sign attached. All right, let's get this tied off. So y'all, my colors, all I did was made sure they made all of these colors pop, right? So red, black, the green. Y'all, so all I'm doing is running the pipe cleaner right through the grapevine. All right, look how cute. He's cute. I don't care what you say. Now, if you notice on this wreath, I left a lot of room down here because the words are on the bottom of the sun. So when we add our bow, we have to make sure that we don't cover the sun. All right, so running our pipe cleaner right through the grapevine. take our handy dandy scissors and just trim off our tails. Y'all, we're gonna put our shorter green at the top. All right, so we're gonna tuck this up underneath our bow. Now, y'all, on this one, so I sent, in this kit, you get one smaller stem. And we get one larger stem that we're gonna break down to a smaller stem. All right, we're gonna spread it out. And we're gonna spread out this one. Y'all, this one's gonna go up underneath our wreath. All right, our goal is that the greens stick out just a little bit further than our bow. So y'all, we went all the way around this side. Now, y'all, just looking at it, you can see right here, there's something missing, right? All right, so we're gonna lift up our bow on this side, and we're just gonna slide this in right over here. On this side. That's cute just like it is, but this ribbon here had a few little glitter dots in it. So I wanted to get a little bit more glitter all the way around. So I included this one. All right. All right. So y'all, now that we have all these little pieces, we're gonna just glue these around the outside in between the bow and the leaves. All right, so we're just adding those glitters in between. So someone asked, when are we doing a garland? We'll be doing a garland the first weekend of November as part of a class that we're teaching that we're using to raise money to buy gifts for kids at Christmas. Come on. Y'all, am I the only person that does that? When the glue's starting to drip, you like try to catch the glue on the stick? Or do y'all just let it drip? All right, look how pretty that is. This side finished versus that side, just by adding that little touch of that $45 stem. Y'all, we have one left. I'm gonna just put it right down here at the bottom so that we have them all around. All right, y'all, here's our cute little elf kit. All right, y'all, you can get this kit in our Etsy store, and you can get this kit in our Etsy store. So DecoExchange.etsy.com. That's it for tonight, for real this time. I am going home. All right. Good night, y'all.